This isn't clickbait. I'm really saying that there's a way to not pay your mortgage. Meaning if you buy a house, there's a way that you don't have to pay the principal and interest, taxes and insurance, and maybe some other expenses on that home. And the way to do this is through military house hacking. Kind of like this book. What it's all about is, and you can get this for free on our website, activedutypassiveincome.com. What military house hacking is all about. It's about buying a home and renting out the other bedrooms that you're not living in. And you might not want to do this if you have a family, so you can buy a multiplex, like a duplex, a triplex, or a fourplex, and rent out the other bedrooms, or the other units. And that way, the rental income from those units or bedrooms or whatever, I mean, heck, you could even rent out your garage space for storage if you want. There's so many ways you can do this, but that income is going to cover your mortgage expense. Maybe not all of it, but most of it, and maybe sometimes even more than your mortgage expense. So you're actually living a better life every month because you're making income on top of your living expense. And if you're doing this while you're active duty and you're getting birthing and housing allowance, guess what? You're now saving your BAH. It's pretty magical. So if you want to live a better life, I cannot foot stomp this enough. You should look into buying a home instead of renting a home, which is just throwing money to the wind. Because when you're renting, guess who you're making richer? You're paying down the landlord's loan. You're making them richer. You're probably making them cash flow that is tax sheltered, and they're living a better life. So flip the script, change the mindset. Don't worry about debt. And by debt, I mean good debt. Good debt you shouldn't worry about because somebody else is paying off. Buy a home, have other people pay off your mortgage for you while you're in it, and then turn it into a rental property whenever you move. And that's how you build legacy wealth and also more income every single month. This was video 10, I believe, of my 30-day challenge. So if you like this type of content, you want to learn more from me and my team at Active Duty Passive Income, subscribe and share. I'll talk to you later. Bye.